Every decision we make is guided by some very basic principles. I believe in our values. For several years, we've expressed these values through the simple acrostic outline, RICHES. R is for respect for each other as human beings uniquely created by God. I is for integrity in what we do and say we will do regardless of the cost, legally and ethically. C is for commitment to our business, our employees, our customers, and to each other. H is for honesty in our interactions with our fellow employees, our supervisors, our customers, our vendors, and our families. E is for excellence in safety, product quality, employee training and development, and process improvements. And S is for stewardship of our land, timber, and plant assets. With these clear values as our guide, we commit to continue working together to build a great company that, with God's help, can be a vital part of each of our own unique stories.